Hi everyone, hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, so right now you can see that Vechain retraced down beautifully to this 20 EMA, didn't it? Beautiful little retracement right there before getting a continuation up. It's looking really strong. It looks like it's going to get to our target just there, 14 cents, and I'll show you why in a moment. But we gave you this trade, okay? We gave you this technical targets way down here when you broke out of this level of resistance just there. Boom, see you later. You got your W bottom, which is in play, and right now you're on your way to 14 cents, and you literally at the moment, I think at the moment you're around about 12% off, which is amazing because I think that this was a whopper. This was a whopping retracement to the high of this rising wedge, falling wedge, sorry, 120%, with the potential for a full retracement because you're in a reversal pattern just there. The retracement up to this high just here at the top of the falling wedge where you formed it of 283%. So it's on its way. It's looking absolutely amazing. I would anticipate that soon though you're going to run into a level of resistance and consolidate. You have to, okay, because you're getting a little bit overheated. One thing you're doing right now, okay, especially on the 4-hourly time frame, is really good. You've broken above the 050 just there, okay, zero Fibonacci retracement right there. If you can break up now and get to the 14 cents, okay, our primary target, and break above that and hold that as support, you're looking at continuation. Just there, you're holding the 050 at the moment as a key level support at 0.12578, okay, and you're building up a bit of steam here, potentially forming some kind of new impulsive wave just here, okay. Look, I'll show you. So effectively this is your low and this is your high. You've come down, you retraced to key level support, you've held it. Right now you can see that if you are forming a brand new impulsive wave just here for Vechain, you are going to go on, break the high at 13742, and you can see that the 1618 brings you up to a target laid down many moons ago, okay. So it's on its way, isn't it? It's looking really good for continuation, a potential 13.135% from here, but it has to break this high, okay. Break this high and you're looking at a beautiful little long up of around about 6.2% for Vechain here. Well, I would imagine you're going to run into a level of resistance soon. You have to slow down, okay. I mean, look at the last time you got an impulsive wave like this. It's steeper than this one. So we broke out this key level of resistance just there. Do you see this level of consolidation, this big horizontal triangle, which I remember really well. Look, very similar area, and then you went on to appreciate and took off in space, got overextended, and you fell back. Now at the moment you are doing something very similar since this break from there to there, but I think that this particular section just there, look, is a little bit steeper. This is a bit steeper than this one, and this could see you at the all-time high. If you do go through that sort of level, you could be looking at retracement by the end of August, okay. So it's on its way, isn't it? You know, you could be looking at a full retracement by the end of August here up to the high. That would be absolutely golden, and that would be confirmation you're going to get through all these levels of resistance, and you are going to be looking at that extension up there 1618 before you run into it, roll back, and then you get the last sort of leg up in the ballroom right there. Because at that time when we do at this level of resistance, okay, our primary target off this impulsive wave which we're going through, once we do hit that 1618, but to validate you've got to break that high, obviously, as I've taught you. You know, to validate these impulsive waves you have to break the high, just like this one I'm showing you on the 4-hourly just here. To get confirmation that you're carrying that impulsive wave, you have to break the high, okay. So you trade on the high break. So for those of you waiting for a fantastic trade here for Vechain, you know, a potential upside target, you could wait for the break of this high. Once you get that, you equally could be looking at a whopping 169% long up there on Vechain, okay. So yeah, I mean, it's looking good, it's looking healthy, looking for continuation. You know, if you do start to retrace, I've given you support targets right now that you do need to see held for Vechain, because you're moving up beautifully in impulsive and corrective waves at the moment. You're retracing to key levels of support, looking for continuation, and it's golden. And you know, it takes time, obviously. Just around here it was consolidating for a bit, and it was getting a bit lackluster, a bit boring. I think a lot of people thought we're going to roll over at this point, but as soon as we broke this level of resistance just there, this key level resistance, that is a primary target of where you created this resistance for yourself in this WW bottom and this falling wedge, okay. And once you break out, you have technical targets to the upside. This technical target has been met, obviously. You've met this technical target here, and right now you're on your way to this technical target, okay. And then after that you've got another technical target of this high as well, and it's all retracement. right in front of you. Okay, so again, you know, come up here, consolidate, get a bit choppy, a bit sideways. If you continue to trend from there, you're looking at a beautiful upside again, a nice little long up of around about 59%. But yeah, it's Vechain. So far so good, nothing bad to say about it. It's holding support really well for continuation until it starts to break down and loses those key levels of support. It's looking for continuation, and like I said to you, one of the major levels of support right now is this. If you do see a big dump or a big rollover in the market and you start to lose this, you're creating a massive reversal wave there and a continuation potentially of a downtrend, and effectively going to come lower. And for me, that's your bear market. Okay, but I don't see that at the minute. It's conforming, it's doing really well, and it's looking for upside. Take care everyone, back to another update on Vechain. So far so good. Thank you for your support, thank you for watching the video, and thank you for liking the content as well. Okay, take care everyone, bye bye.